In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. A drop-down list is a simple way to control data entry, keep your spreadsheet consistent, and prevent typos. We'll walk through setting it up from scratch, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so everything works smoothly. Start by opening Excel and creating the list of items you want people to choose from. Put each item in its own cell, one per row, in a single column. It can be on the same sheet as your form or on another sheet if you prefer to keep things tidy. Avoid blank rows in the middle of the list and make sure you don't include a header as part of the items. If you notice duplicates, they'll appear twice in the dropdown, so clean that up now. Next, select the cell, or the full range, where the dropdown should be available. This could be a single cell, a set of cells, an entire column, or even a non-adjacent selection. It's usually easier to decide this up front, so you apply the validation once. With those cells selected, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, under Allow, choose List. This tells Excel you want to restrict entries to a defined set of items. You'll see options like Ignore Blank and In-Cell Dropdown. The default settings are usually fine. Make sure the In-Cell Dropdown option is enabled so the small arrow shows up in your cells. Now click inside the source box, then select the cells that contain the list you prepared. Drag to include only the items, not any headers. Excel will insert the cell references for you. If the list is on another sheet, navigate there and select it the same way. Using absolute references is helpful so the source doesn't shift if you copy cells later. Click OK to apply. Go back to your target cells and you should see a drop-down arrow. Click the arrow to open the list, choose an item, and Excel will fill the cell with that value. If someone tries to type something that isn't on the list, Excel will block it by default, which helps keep your data clean. If you need the same dropdown elsewhere, you can repeat the process for another range. As a time saver, you can also copy a cell that already has the dropdown and paste it to other cells, which carries the validation with it. That's all you need to create a reliable, easy to use dropdown list in Excel.